Hey everyone, welcome back to Doko's Reviews. Today is a very important day to me because I finally got my hand on my new iPhone 12 Pro Max with all its glory, as you can see here. And today I did some live shooting at the Stanford Mall in Palo Alto. Also, when I was coming back home, I did find some kids from the community that were on their bicycles popping wheelies. But we're going to jump into that in a little bit after we do the unboxing. And then we're going to talk about this iPhone, what makes it different than its older predecessors, and to see what new features that Apple has offered. Beside this being smaller, in the box you can see it's pretty small. See that? It's very small. And yeah, let's jump into the unboxing. Right now, we're going to jump into the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, and this is your Ocean Pacific, or a Pacific Ocean color. Let's check it out. I mean, look at that. That is so nice, man. Let's check it out. Check that out. Wow. And it's already on. All right, someone tampered with this, man. Did someone open this before I even have a chance to review it and unbox it? Oh my gosh. But look at that. Oh my gosh. You can see the reflection of the recording on this. Look at that. Is that amazing or what? That's insane. So this is how it looks. It's got your power button there. And there's something weird going on there. And believe it or not, guys, I thought this was the Apple would upgrade to the USB-C, but they haven't, man. They're still using Lightning. I don't know why, but that's kind of interesting. And then you got your little SIM tray right there, if you can see it. Then your volume buttons right here, and then your toggle switch there for mute and unmute. Other than that, man, this thing is beautiful. I mean, look at the back. That Pacific Ocean blue is just amazing. Anyways, so in the case you find the standard blah blah blah, you know, whatever Lightning to USB-C cable. That's a little drawback for me because I thought Apple would upgrade since this is their super phone. And then right here we have the manual instruction booklet, and we have the little Apple logo sticker that they offer. Other than that, guys, if you guys didn't know, I want to let you guys know this does not come with a charger. That's why you don't see anything here unless the charger falls out of it. The box, I mean, there's no charger. And also the box is smaller than your original iPhone 11 Pro Max box. And look at that. This is just a nice phone. So right now we're going to jump into the review. That's the unboxing. It was very boring. Nothing new, Apple. Thank you. First thing first, I'm going to jump to this is just the iPhone itself. After unboxing, I noticed this phone is way bigger than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And it also, the lens is a tad bigger. We all know when that happens, it has better quality in picture and video because it gets to let in more light. Right off the bat, I did notice that this has the Super Retina XDR display. This is also a 6.7 inch all-screen OLED display running at 2778 by 1284 pixel resolution at 458 ppi. Okay, both of the 6.1 and the 6.7 has HDR display, true tone white color at P3, and P3 is important for phones because it makes the color pop. You have 200,001 contrast ratio on this, which is kind of interesting because this thing is doing 800 nits max brightness, and at with HDR you get 1200 nits, and that is amazing. I can only imagine the picture quality on this too. This also has a fingerprint resistant olefinic coating on the actual screen, so your fingerprint don't get all over it. Other than that, it has a splash water and dual resistant, rated at 6 meters. That is up to Let me see, 6 meters, blah, blah, blah. That's 30 minutes. So this can be in water for close to up to 30 minutes before it gets damaged. This also has the new chip, the A14 Bionic chip, which is their next generation, next level neural engine. And keep in mind, the reason why Apple gave this a super chip because of 5G. They needed a processor that can handle more bandwidth and more information. And because of that, that's why this thing is beast, and it's way faster than your older predecessor iPhones. Now, the other thing I wanted to talk about is the video recording on this. It is insane. HDR video recording with Dolby Vision up to 60 FPS, believe it or not, 60. 4K recording minimum at 24 and 30 FPS, but you can also record at 60 FPS. That is insane and interesting to see a phone do that, and especially with Apple, because we all know Apple sometimes holds back, give you a little here, little there. That's how they make their money. So, anyways, and let me see what else. Oh yeah. And the phone is just amazing, man. So, you know, it depends on personal preference, I believe, on the color. But if you guys haven't upgraded to this phone, I just got mine today. If you guys haven't upgraded to this, man, I'm telling you guys to upgrade it. You won't be disappointed. But I'm going to show you guys some live footage of pictures and also videos of me shooting this at Stanford Mall. And also when I was coming back home, I came across some kids that were popping a wheelie just around here in the community, and I asked them to if I can put them in my video of them popping wheelie, and they gave me their permission. So this is for them, and I'm going to show those videos. And like always, guys, you know, if you guys have any comments or any questions, go ahead and drop it down below. And if you guys like content like this, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I'm going to give it a shout out to those kids that were doing wheelies. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Check it out.
Tema atoma, tupe ike iloma, mio imaitimu, oh, fukaki oluma, ine kulokula, kota faka iloma, oh, tema atoma, tupe ike iloma, mio imaitimu, oh, fukaki oluma, ine kulokula, kota faka Amerika, oka ke bobo mai, peki shake mai, mate matonga kian, oi mio mai, fukatono ke fast, pe ake ha ki oye lunga honima, si waka fakatika, ki drop it down low, touch the floor, let it spin and shake it up slow, solo ki lunga honima, si waka fakatika, ki drop it down low, touch the floor, let it spin and shake it up slow. Tema atoma, tupe ike iloma, mio imaitimu, oh, fukaki oluma, ine kulokula, kota faka iloma, oh, tema atoma, tupe ike iloma, mio imaitimu, oh, fukaki oluma, ine kulokula, kota faka iloma, oh.